is underway. And crossover outside. This three-pointer. No good to look at Jerome. Jerome Bubot with the rebound. Gatanela looking for a teammate. Goes to Jung Jung. Goes to Kenji. Kenji. In and out by Kenji. And the rebound goes to number 6. It will go to Jaimer. Oh my! Oh! Look at the hand time. What a shot by Jaimer. And here is Gonzalez Ralph. Outside to Jung Jung. This three-pointer. No good. Rebound. And there's a whistle. Here is Kenji. Alright, Ralph. He will go to Kenji. Kenji, yes. 11 points for Kenji tonight. With 2 assists. And 1 rebound tonight. Here is Hirochi. Hirochi outside. Faking. Dual on the shot clock. Left in the up. No good. And the ball will stay. Pineda outside. The numbers 1-8. Crossover is the pointer. No good again. Rebound. Oh, and the ball will go to Jung Jung. Gastang na rin. To Arian. Arian. Three-pointer. Taway-taw high. No good. Rebound by Ralph. And the ball will go out of line. Apat na kabansi. Kang Team Gimbal. Here's Dinson. Dinson will go to you. Jirochi. Jirochi. Bang! Basket from Jirochi. His first basket of the night and a steal. What a rejection right there. And here is Jung Jung. Jung Jung stolen. Recover. Stolen again. And there is you. Will go to Dinson. Dinson going. Oh, what a move from Dinson. Highlight. Again, another highlight for Team Celebrity. And here is Gatanela. Another steal. Good defensive possession for the Team Celebrity. He will go inside. That's still no good. They got that out. And Jung Jung will go to Kenji. Kenji. Oh! A top ring coming from Kenji. What a jump. 13 points already coming from Kenji. Three-pointer by Pineda won't go. Rebound by Ralph. Ralph goes to the Sangarin. He will wait for the teammate. And here is Peter Jerome Bubot. Oh no! Bubot! What a shot from Jerome Bubot. And here is Dinson. Looking for a teammate. He will go to Dustin. Dustin is still scoreless tonight. Dinson with a three-pointer won't count. Rebound goes to Cassandra. Here is Kenji again with another. Oh! At least it goes in. 2-point coming from Chukran. And there's number 6 looking for the alley-oop. An old school play right there. Alley-oop cutting inside the alley-oop from the baseline. And here is Gatanela inhaling outside to Kenji, going to Ralph. What a fight. And he is fouled by number... Okay, and Kenji will sit. And it's 1 point for Team Gimbal and no good. And there is Dustin. Dustin. Oh, and he will go to Jason. Jason inside the pass won't go. Rebound goes to Magdano. Magdano Rafi. Amerson. Hinaka goes to Jerome. The Jerome. Oh, no good maraming from Jerome. With 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Here is Jason. Jason with the Euro. Nahuyan si Jason. And number 33, Pineda, going to Dalong Pinas. Nice screen by Jason. And a 2-point coming for Team Celebrity. And there is
31-34.
Arizona outside, catches by Jerome. And Jerome, my friend, ladies and gentlemen, move outside to stolen by Team Celebrity again. A total of 8 steals already. Plus with Team Celebrity and another basket for Team Celebrity Barranco. And they take the lead. 5 minutes and 22. Here is Johnny. Johnny, three-pointer, no good. Rebound by Rafi Boy. Goes to Jerome. Jerome! Unang saging by Jerome. And here is Jerome again. Jerome will go to Hammerstone. Hammerstone in Naka. Going to Raul Magtanao. No good. And the rebound here comes Barranco. Barranco defended by Jerome. Stop and back. Three-pointer. No good. Rebound by Johnny. And the ball will go out of bounds. Possession. And Naka goes to Raul Magtanao outside. Magtanao ba? Raul to Magtanao. And across the Silver Gibson, everything Barranco is running so fast, but Rakin Naka going to Johnny. Johnny will go to Raul Magtanao, but jumper won't count. Rebound by number Juanesa. Juanesa looking for them into Barranco. Barranco going to Jason. Ay makakapasa. Jason, ladies and gentlemen, he will make his move this time. He will shoot. Jason will lace it in. And of course, basket of Jason Avalos. 2 points coming from Jason. And here is Sumalakay. Sumalakay, three-pointer on the wing. No good. Rebound by Gasakao. Gasakao outside to Johnny. Three-pointer by Johnny Wasak. 3 points from Johnny. And here is Barranco will fake against Naka, making his move. No good. Rebound. Naman sa Diagon. And Barranco will wait for his teams. And Dustin. Dustin shooting beyond the arc. Lapaw. And here is Naka. And Naka going to Sumalakay. Kenim Jun Sumalakay for 2 points. 30 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Here is Jason, and the Jason, oh no, they're from Jason. And it is Jason on the other hand, behind his back, defended by Barranco. He will go to Johnny, and Johnny will shoot again. Wasaka, 3 points from Johnny Gavile. His second three-pointer tonight. And here is Dustin, defended by Magtanao with a smiling face. And Dustin will shoot. Unang kabayas na. And here is the rebound by Sumalakay.
89.
Goes to Johnny for a 3 in a row. Oh no, coming from Johnny and Magtanao with the rebound. With 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. And stolen again by Barranco. Barranco to Dulampinas. Obi between his legs. Pero no good. Oh, saka. Finally. For the Dulampinas. And here is Naka. Hammerstone goes to Johnny with 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Here is Naka, the perimeter jumper. Won't count, but the rebound, fade away, yes. I see Gasakao from Binanwag inbound. 24 years old tonight. And here is the foul given from the court. Here is Jason. He will go to the Lumpinas. Lumpinas outside to three-pointer, no good. Rebound by Sumalakay. Sumalakay goes to Kenji. Kenji just got checked in tonight. And there is Sumalakay for the three-pointer. Too strong. Rebound. Oh, behind his back for the Lumpinas. Defended by Chu. And he will give the ball. Dribbling. Barranco will fade. Barranco inside. The layup, no good. Rebound by Magtanao. 1 minute and 38 remaining. Here is Chu. Kenji. Kenji waiting for a teammate. Goes to the left. Outside from Magtanao. The jumper, no good. Rebound again by Kenji. Kenji outside to Camino with a three-pointer. Pati kalapaw-lapaw. But the putback is good coming from Ralph.
43-40.
Lumpinas on the other hand with a
43-42.
with 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining. Here is Chu. Chu! No good. Rebound by Magtanao. Back to Chu. And here is Naka going to Sumalakay. Sumalakay, pusa. 3 points, Sumalakay.
46-42.
48 seconds remaining.
4-point lead by Sinjin Ball.
Here is Jason. Pero no good from Jason. And here is Chu. Chu making his move. And Kenji with a beautiful layup coming from Chu. And here is Pineda. Pineda with a jumper, Lapaw. And here is going to Sumaratay. 20 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining. And he will go to Kenji. Going to Camino with 14 seconds. Yes, he got it. 2.0 run Aberstone. 8 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. 5 seconds. Left delay is good. The basket will count.
50.
No. That's the end of the second chapter. Pagkatapos ng second chapter, ang ang score, 44-50. Pagkatansin. Alright, that's our second half game.